Okay, this is a little quick video on how to replace a battery in a Honeywell key fob for your alarm system. So the thing that you're going to need to gather are two screwdrivers, one Phillips head screwdriver and the other one a flathead screwdriver. You'll need them both. So to start, what we do is we take the Phillips head screwdriver and we turn the key fob over to the back side and we remove this screw. Now when we take that out, we let that drop, that's going to allow us to take the flathead screwdriver and on the side, right here is a little notch, we just pop the case open. And it's probably going to surprise you a little bit because when you pop it open, all kinds of things fall apart, but that's all right. So the back comes off and then this piece comes off. Here's the battery here, and there should be a sticker on it. You want to keep this sticker because it tells you how to put the battery in. So this battery is I don't know if we can zoom in on that, is a CR2032. All right, so then we pop the battery out with the flathead screwdriver or a fingernail, and then we replace the battery with the positive side up, just like this one is. And we take this sticker, put it back on top, just so we've got those instructions again. To put this back together again, we take the bottom piece of with the split ring on it, we set that on top and line it up. We take the back, and you notice that there's a seal around here, it keeps it waterproofed, and then we just snap it on. This screw needs to be replaced. Put it back in there and use your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it back up and you're done. Call us if you need anything. Thanks.